Hello friends, I'm Davalsa, CISO and co-founder of Rainbow Secure. Today, we will discuss how we can manage and secure business applications in today's executive talks.
Due to pandemic, everything is now online. All business applications are running on a cloud. Due to these digital transformations, business are facing challenges. Hello friends, I'm Nehal Mehta, president and co-founder of Rainbow Secure. Before the cloud revolution, IT served as a technology gatekeeper. The application and platform you manage and secure were contained within the network perimeter. Everyone that signed into your corporate network first validated by a firewall. Not anymore. Nowadays, your workforce has more control over the technology they use, much of which is accessed via internet. Cyber attackers is learn to exploit these vulnerabilities. Even when a old password or 2FA is presented, that does not mean it was presented by a valid user.
Also, the explosion of endpoints provides users more way to connect, but this also creates an administrative nightmare. Many enterprises aren't aware of all the tools employees use, and even when they do, they don't have good inventory. If they have, the sheer number of cloud apps means you need to manage multiple identity systems, which is increasing cost and compounding existing security risk. It's very difficult to track employee work patterns.
Also, poor user experience is main problem for user. They love this flexibility of digital life, but they are frustrated by number of credentials they need to remember, and also they are stressed of creating a long complex credentials, change it frequently, and need to carry extra device everywhere. User identity security management is the center of any digital project, and business need to handle it very carefully.
The common denominator across these pain points is inefficient systems for verifying identity. Identity has replaced the network parameter as a new control plane. You need solutions that connect the disparate tools, architecture, devices, services, and clouds across the enterprise to better protect the organization and manage access for both employees and external partners. Identity and access management solutions unite access under one system, giving you more control. They provide seamless collaboration across the boundaries of your organization while improving the security of your corporate resources. A good IAM solution lets you connect your users to all the work applications, whether they are in the cloud or on premises, through one set of credentials.
Rainbow Secure help you to solve these challenges. Rainbow Secure is a comprehensive IAM solution in the cloud. It gives you directory management, application access, and identity protection. Rainbow Secure empower organization to manage and secure identities for employee, customer, and their partners to access the applications and services they need. Rainbow Secure let you manage a common identity for each user across your cloud and hybrid infrastructure to access all the application they need, including cloud and on-premises line of business applications. Manage all your identities from a universal platform, increase administrative efficiency, and give you a more control. Apply granular security policy to each of the application used in your organization.
Rainbow Secure is a single pane of glass for securing and managing access to all cloud and on-premise custom apps. Rainbow Secure provides technical services, integrations to help you automate the creation, maintenance, and removal of user identities in popular SaaS applications such as Office, Google Workspace, Salesforce, NetSuite, and many others, so that you can have a single source of identity truth that you adopt. So here you can see the glimpse of Rainbow Secure Identity Platform. You can enter user profile information, you can import data from CSV file, you can integrate with Azure AD, integrate with Okta. Also, you can manage the access to the work apps they have. You can manage the users' access to the databases. You can manage their access to different app services. You also get to configure the threat insights like directory insights, suspicious app access alerting, and the DB access alerting. So these are the different admin options and modules you get here to manage the identity and access for the business users. Not only that, you also got detailed audit log for the security compliance that your business needs. With this complete audit log you can track what applications your user is using, when he is accessing, how he is accessing, complete work pattern of the users you get here. With AI monitoring, the threat risk analytics, and the threat alerting, your business is secure 24/7. You also get integrations with your enterprise systems like human resources, VPN, and many others. It helps you give 360-degree view of the user's work behavior and what are the tools he's using when. That helps you actually fine-tune the security access.
Let's brainstorm about your organization identity needs. Visit us at rainbowsecure.com to know more, chat, or book a demo with us.
Thank you guys. Stay tuned for next time for more interesting talks. Keep listening to us.
Thank you for listening.